Is your 2008 Toyota Highlander's alarm system acting up? You're not alone. Many owners report persistent false alarms, and the good news is that the causes are often consistent and fixable. The most common culprits behind these issues are hood and liftgate switches, key fob malfunctions, and battery problems. Let's break down each of these potential causes. First, faulty hood or liftgate switches can trigger the alarm, especially with temperature changes. These switches may corrode or become misaligned, sending false open signals to the car's computer. Second, key fob issues, such as a depleted battery, corrosion, or signal interference, can cause intermittent alarm activation or prevent you from disarming the system. Lastly, battery-related problems, like voltage fluctuations or a failing backup battery in the alarm module, can also lead to false alarms. When the main battery drops below 11.8 volts, it can confuse the alarm's electronic control unit. Identifying which of these issues is affecting your Highlander is the first step to resolving the problem. In the next section, we'll cover how to troubleshoot and fix these common alarm issues. Now that you understand the common causes, let's troubleshoot and fix these alarm issues systematically. First, we'll inspect the hood and liftgate switches for signs of damage. Look for corrosion, damage, or misalignment on both switches. The hood switch is typically mounted on the driver's side hood latch, while the liftgate switch is integrated into the rear hatch mechanism. Next, use a multimeter to test the continuity of these switches. They should show a closed circuit when the hood and liftgate are properly closed. If the switches test fine, check your key fob next. Start by replacing the CR2032 battery, which is the most common solution for key fob-related alarm issues. Finally, analyze your Highlander's battery system. A weak battery can cause voltage fluctuations that confuse the alarm system and trigger false alarms. Here's a quick cost breakdown for common repairs. Hood or liftgate switch replacement typically costs $25 to $75 for parts, plus 1 to 2 hours of labor. By systematically checking these components in order, switches, key fob, and battery system, you can pinpoint the exact cause of your 2008 Toyota Highlander's alarm problems and get them resolved efficiently.